education majors! I'm Kiara and I'm here to give you a quick update. This week, Career Services will be hosting a special event just for you. The Education College Pre-Fair Presentation event will be presented live on Zoom this Thursday. That's September 24th. It starts at 2:30 and it's hosted by our very own career counselor, Michelle Hearn. So you guys, just so you know, Michelle has served as the executive director for the Merck Education Fairs for the past decade. You'll be learning from the best. Michelle will share how to write a resume, cover letter, interview techniques, as well as job and internship strategies for those entering the field of education. Immediately following, from 3:30 to 4:30, there will also be a pre-fair employer advice and showcase. This event will have actual employers from the Framingham Public Schools and the Douglas Public Schools. They will share their backgrounds and provide insight and advice to students about the field of education, hiring practices, skills needed, application and interview processes, and more. This is a more interactive forum. You can ask questions that are career specific, so it's very good. Be aware, you will be required to use a password after clicking on the Zoom link, so be sure to register on RamLink or Handshake. I hope everyone's having a good semester. Don't forget to stay connected on this page for more updates on how Career Services is committed to helping students even in the midst of a global pandemic. Like, share, and subscribe to this page.